Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate cake. And what you need is some white sugar, some cocoa powder, some baking soda, some baking powder, 2 eggs, some milk, and you can use any type of milk that you want, and some vegetable oil, and some vanilla extract, and then 1 cup of warm water, and then some flour. And then if you want to, you can add some chocolate chips, some banana extract, some mint extract, and some strawberry extract, and some lemon extract, and some cherry extract. And with those ingredients, you can add whatever amount that you want. Alright, and then we need to measure out the sugar. And we need 1 cup of white sugar. And with measuring stuff out, you want to level it out and then adjust the measurement until it's at the measurement that you need. And then there's 1 cup of sugar, and we are going to pour that in. Alright, and then we need 1 3/4 cup of this flour. And if it gets a little bit messy, then that's okay. This 1/2 cups. Just need a little bit more. There's 1 3/4 cup of flour. Alright, and then we need 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. And there's about 3/4 of a cup. It's kind of hard to see it though. Alright, and then, I forgot to grab teaspoons of it back. Alright, and then we need 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And there's 1.5 teaspoons right there. Alright, then we need 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. And there's 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. Alright, and then we need to mix these ingredients together. And with mixing stuff up, you want to get it as mixed up as good as you can get it. Alright, and then once the dry ingredients are mixed together, it should look something like this. Alright, and then with the liquids, we will need 1 cup of warm water. Alright, then we need 1 cup of the milk. Okay, there is 1 cup. And then we need 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And there's 1/2 cup. Alright, and then we need 2 teaspoons of the vanilla extract. Alright, and then we need to add the 2 eggs. And with the eggs, the trick to getting these open is by cracking on the side of the bowl like this. And there should be a crack like that. And then we are going to split it open into the dough. And try not to get the shells into the dough. And we're going to do that again. And then we are going to mix all that together. And once again, with mixing stuff up, you want it to be as mixed up as good as you can get it. Once all those ingredients are mixed together, it should look something. And then we need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, and then with this, we will need a baking dish, and you can use any type of size you want. And then we will also need the dough too. Alright, and then we need to spray the baking dish with cooking spray. And then we are going to pour the dough into the baking dish. And try and get it to where it's as even as possible. And try to get as much of the dough into the pan as possible. Alright. And then with the baking dish, you want to leave a little bit of space between the dough and the top because it's going to rise a little bit from the flour. Alright, and then after that is done, we're going to bake it in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a fork poked into it comes out clean. Once the cake is all done baking in the oven, it should look something like this, and you can use any type of frosting that you want for the cake.